When it comes to making smoothies, we're all familiar with blenders like these. But there's no production scale equivalent to the kitchen blender. If you're looking to produce larger scale smoothies, then several different pieces of processing equipment may be required for chopping and pureeing the ingredients to get results like this. You can manufacture smoothies in a single step with a SILVERSON mixer. SILVERSON offers versatile mixing systems that can handle the entire process, rapidly disintegrating large solids down to the desired consistency in a single operation. They can also incorporate functional ingredients and other powders. We have developed a blending plant for this application. It's a self-contained sanitary system based on a hygienic mixer design. It comprises a specially adapted bottom entry mixer working in conjunction with a high shear inline mixer. There's no need for pre-chopping of the ingredients. Fruits, vegetables, and other raw materials can be added whole and blended in a fraction of the time taken by traditional processing and cutting equipment. Once the bottom entry mixer has completed the initial disintegration process and the solids are small enough, the self-pumping inline mixer is started. This rapidly completes the process, giving the smoothie its desired consistency and mouthfeel. We also offer equipment for smaller volumes, including benchtop and laboratory scale mixers. Results are consistent across our entire product line, meaning that a recipe you develop in the laboratory can be replicated in large-scale production with confidence. Batch-to-batch consistency is guaranteed. We specify the equipment to suit your requirement, whatever the liquid base of your product, and regardless of the type of size of solids you're working with, SILVERSON has a solution for you. To find out more, contact us today or visit our website at silverson.com.